Hi everyone. This week I'm going to be working intuitively in my art journal. I did this painting as a kind of warm-up before I moved on to canvas. And I do this a lot just to, get myself going. So I'm going to let you guys just enjoy the video, and I'll be popping in from time to time, talking you through my process. And please remember to leave a comment because it gets really lonely working alone as an artist. And I love reading your comments, guys. It's like so much fun. And also remember to subscribe. You'd be helping me out a lot with this YouTube channel so that I can keep creating videos for you guys. All right, I'll be popping back in a while. Okay, so sometimes I just enjoy changing the consistency of my paint. And I enjoy doing that with golden acrylic high flow medium. The consistency changes depending on how much you add to it. But I really like the way the paint just glides onto the paper when I use it. So I really enjoy using that a lot. I'll post the link to it below the video if you want to check it out. I'm not really happy with that big white circle that's in the middle, and I also feel that it needs more contrast. So I come in with this really dark value there, and I just keep going. end up giving it a quick dry and I get paint all over my hands. But yeah, I was just enjoying myself at this point. But I keep thinking that it needs something, you know, to give it more life. So that's why I start adding the green. And I really liked it at this point. So maybe I should have stopped here, or I don't know. But I really did like the effect that that green brought to the painting. Painting intuitively like this is just an awesome way to get yourself going. Either you know want to go start painting on a large canvas like I wanted to do here, or I mean it's perfect if you've been gone on vacation, even if you've been away from painting for a long time. Art journaling is awesome. If you're learning, it's the best way to learn, and it's the best way to actually find your own voice, because you give yourself a chance to just have fun and be yourself. So at this point, I'm adding this orange color and I'm loving it. And I was so glad that I brought it in, because I was like, I wasn't sure that I was going to add it, but I felt that it needed some warmth. So that warm orange really made it pop. And I was quite happy with it at this point. And, you know, you don't even have to finish paintings in a book like this. So if I didn't, you know, get the best result, that wasn't my goal. So it wouldn't really have made a difference to me. All right, guys, I'm about to end this painting here. And I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.